We'll guide you through how to transfer your email to Gmail in the simplest way possible. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail's website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to go into the full settings page. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab at the top. Here you'll find an option that says Import Mail and Contacts. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. You will need to enter the email address you want to transfer emails from. After entering your email, click Continue. You might be prompted to log in to your other email account to authorize the import process, so make sure you have your login details handy. Follow the prompts to grant Gmail permission to access your old email account. Once authorized, you'll have options to import your contacts, mail, and even new mail for the next 30 days. Select the options that fit your needs, then click Start Import. This process may take some time depending on how many emails you are transferring, but you can continue to use Gmail while it runs in the background. You'll receive a confirmation email from Gmail once the import is complete. And that's it. Your emails will now be accessible within your Gmail account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.